Saying bless you after a sneeze isn't just polite, it's ancient protection with roots in fear, death, and spiritual warfare. Dating back to ancient Rome and medieval Europe, people believed a sneeze could expel the soul or leave the body wide open to invading spirits or death itself. During the Black Plague, Pope Gregory I ordered people to say, "God bless you," to protect each other from sudden death. Some cultures believed the heart stopped momentarily, and a blessing was needed to restart life. Even in Asia and Africa, sneezing meant your spirit was momentarily detached, a cosmic glitch needing divine cover. That quick phrase, it's basically a mini exorcism. Follow for more shocking truths hiding in everyday habits and innocent words.